Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion Oil, updated. Start by parking level, engaging the brake, and letting the engine cool 10 minutes. Wear gloves and eye protection, then lift the front with jack stands for safety. Place a drain pan under the oil pan, loosen the drain plug carefully, and let the oil drain completely before replacing the plug and filter. Warm the engine slightly if needed, then remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the pan for several minutes. Remove the old oil filter, checking for metal shavings or damage, then prepare the new filter by lightly oiling its gasket. Install the new filter by hand until snug, then tighten per manufacturer torque guidance and reinstall the drain plug securely to prevent leaks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY auto guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes workshop cleanup effortless and kind of fun. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for considering that. Now let's get back to the video. Place a funnel in the oil filler and add the specified oil slowly, checking the dipstick until the level reads full. Replace the oil cap, lower the vehicle, and run the engine for a short time while watching for leaks beneath the car. Turn off the engine, wait a minute, then recheck the dipstick to confirm the level is correct and that the oil pressure or warning lights behave normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.